Good day, everyone. You have your girl, entrepreneur evangelist Sabrina here, breaking financial chains. And today, I just want to talk to you a little about credit repair, doing it yourself or paying. What's the difference and what you should do? Should you learn how to repair your own credit, or should you just hire someone to do the credit for you? My opinion is you should learn how to repair your own credit, because learning how to repair your own credit, you don't have to worry ever again about paying anyone if something goes wrong on your credit. A lot of times it's issues on your credit that are wrong, like they make mistakes, things be on your credit that don't supposed to be there, and you can learn how to correct these things without paying anyone, because it can happen 5 years from now. Say you're credit good right now, and then 5 years down the line, you look and you see some on there that don't even belong to you, or it's just messed up. The payment's not right. Anything. It's a lot of discrepancies on credit reports. So you learning this strategy, how to fix your credit, I believe is better. It's cheaper and it's better. But what I've came to find in this business, because now I'm self-repairing my credit, learning how to self-repair, and I'm doing that right now. I'm in the process of self-repairing my credit. So in this process of doing it myself and telling people about it, seeking to get other people to learn how to um, fix their credit on their own. And it's so much more inside the system outside of just credit repair. It's a business in a box financial literacy. You learn investment strategies. You learn if you have a 9 to 5, you can bring home more money on your pay without asking your boss, by changing your W-4 form, going on irs.gov website. I mean, it shows you 5 different strategies that you can use to shift your income inside the system I'm using, that you can use to self-repair your credit. Now, since there's so many people that really not interested in financial literacy, they're not interested in making money doing this business. They're not interested in even fixing their own credit. They would prefer to pay someone. So, since that is the case, I've decided I'm going to repair credit and self-repair, show people how to self-repair credit, and I'll fix the people that feel they don't have the time, or maybe they just really don't want to do it and they have the money and they prefer to just outsource outsource it. So I'll be that outsource for them people, because it's a very simple process. All the letters are pre-written. All you're doing is copying and pasting and pulling reports and putting your information on there, and it's all done for you. It's nothing. It's nothing to think about. It's to do the credit repair part. It's like copy paste, rinse repeat, copy paste, and they have the letters, they have videos for you to watch, everything inside the system. So the people that don't want to take advantage of that opportunity, and right now I have a special going on, $19.95 for the first 25 people, and after that it's going up to $100. I will hop on that, you know, if I were you. $20 to start. It's $34.95 a month, and then you add in the fees of mailing your letters off, certified mail, $7.50 per barrel. It's like $25, and you can maybe go up to 4 rounds. So you can include that in the cost as well. People tend to leave that part out. The fact that it's just not $35 a month. You have to pay for your certified letters. It's 3 credit bureaus that you'll be sending to. So It's like $7.50, I think, a piece or something. It comes to around $25. And that's still cheap. It's still cheap compared to paying what's that legal somebody $99 a month, paying me $50 a month because that's gonna be my fee and $150 down. Like, but people would rather do that. So I'm offering it because that don't take about, I can give that an hour a day doing letters, mailing them out, 2 hours, and I'm done. And I can focus my attention on something else. Just mailing off letters. It's like, I really prefer people to learn themselves, but you can't force people to learn. So I just said, I will repair, I will teach, I will do both because it's just imperative that we have good credit because credit more important than money. That's what I found out in my years of living on this earth for all these years, over 40 years. I realized credit is important. So if you're someone that would like to self-repair your credit, the link is going to be attached to this video. If you're someone that wants to pay somebody more money, that link will be attached as well. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you either way. I look forward to helping you, and you have a great and amazing 2019. Hopefully we connect. Bye-bye.